Seniors, regain leg strength with this super coffee to fight sarcopenia. If you struggle to get up from your favorite chair, if climbing stairs leaves you breathless and gripping the handrail, and if you secretly worry that your legs are getting so weak you might need a walker soon, I have something that will surprise you. In the next 10 minutes, I will show you how to transform your morning coffee into a powerful muscle-building drink that can help you regain the leg strength you had years ago, plus 4 simple exercises you can do right in your living room. But first, I need you to do something for me. Tell me in the comments which city and country you are watching from. I read every single comment, and I love knowing where my viewers are joining me from around the world. What I am about to share might sound too simple to work, but it is based on understanding exactly why our legs lose strength after 60 and how 3 specific ingredients can actually reverse this process. The second ingredient I will mention is something you probably throw away every week, but it contains compounds that can boost your muscle recovery by up to 40%. And the exercise routine I will show you takes less than 15 minutes. But targets the exact muscle groups that keep you walking independently. Let me start by explaining what happens to your legs as you age, because once you understand this, everything else will make perfect sense. After age 60, you naturally lose about 1 to 2% of your muscle mass every year. This condition is called sarcopenia, and it hits your leg muscles the hardest because they are the largest muscles in your body and need the most maintenance. But here is what most people do not know. This muscle loss is not just about getting older. It happens because your body becomes less efficient at using protein to build and repair muscle tissue. Your muscles also become more resistant to the signals that tell them to grow stronger. This is where our super coffee comes in, because it delivers exactly what your muscles need in a form they can use immediately. Super coffee. Ingredient 1. Collagen peptides. The first ingredient that transforms your regular coffee into a muscle-building powerhouse is collagen peptides. And this might surprise you because most people think of collagen for skin and joints. But collagen peptides contain specific amino acids that your leg muscles desperately need to stay strong. Unlike regular protein powder, collagen peptides are already broken down into small pieces that your body can absorb quickly. They contain high amounts of glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, amino acids that help build the connective tissue that holds your muscles together and makes them work efficiently. Here is how to use them. Add 1 scoop, about 20 grams, of unflavored collagen peptides to your morning coffee. Stir it well while the coffee is hot, because heat helps the collagen dissolve completely. The best part is that collagen peptides are virtually tasteless, so they will not change the flavor of your coffee at all. One important note. If you take blood-thinning medications, start with half a scoop and monitor how you feel, because collagen can affect blood clotting in some people. For most seniors, though, this amount is not only safe, but incredibly beneficial. Mary from Arizona wrote to me last month saying that after 6 weeks of adding collagen to her morning coffee, she could walk up the stairs to her bedroom without stopping to rest halfway. These real results happen because collagen gives your muscles the building blocks they need to repair and strengthen overnight. Super coffee. Ingredient 2. Banana peel powder. Now here is the ingredient I mentioned that you probably throw away every week. Banana peel powder might sound unusual, but it is one of the most powerful natural sources of potassium and magnesium, 2 minerals that are crucial for muscle function and recovery. Most people know that bananas are good for potassium, but the peel contains 6 times more potassium than the fruit itself. Potassium helps your muscle cells maintain the right fluid balance, which is essential for strong contractions. Magnesium works like a natural muscle relaxant, helping your legs recover from exercise and reducing cramps that often wake seniors up at night. You can buy organic banana peel powder online, or make your own by washing organic banana peels thoroughly, drying them in a low oven for several hours, then grinding them in a coffee grinder. Add just half a teaspoon to your coffee with the collagen peptides. If you cannot find banana peel powder, you can substitute with a 1/4 teaspoon of potassium citrate powder and an 1/8 teaspoon of magnesium glycinate powder, both available at health food stores. The key is getting these minerals in a form your body can absorb quickly. Robert from Canada, who is 71, told me he was skeptical about banana peel powder until he tried it for a month. He said his leg cramps disappeared completely, and he noticed he could stand up from his couch much more easily, especially in the mornings when his muscles used to feel stiff and weak. Super coffee ingredient. 3. Tart cherry extract. The third ingredient that completes your super coffee is tart cherry extract, and this one works in a completely different way than the others. While collagen provides building blocks and banana peel powder supplies minerals, tart cherry extract fights the inflammation that breaks down muscle tissue and slows recovery. Tart cherries contain natural compounds called anthocyanins, which are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. These compounds help reduce the microscopic damage that happens in your muscles during daily activities, allowing them to stay stronger and recover faster. Tart cherry extract also contains natural melatonin, which improves sleep quality, and deep sleep is when most muscle repair happens. Add half a teaspoon of tart cherry extract or 1 tablespoon of tart cherry juice to your super coffee. If you find the taste too tart, start with a 1/4 teaspoon and gradually increase the amount. Look for organic, unsweetened tart cherry products to avoid unnecessary added sugars. People taking medications for gout should check with their doctor before using tart cherry extract regularly, because it can affect uric acid levels. For most people, though, this small amount provides significant anti-inflammatory benefits without side effects. Linda from Texas shared that she started adding tart cherry extract to her morning routine after reading about its benefits. Within 3 weeks, she noticed she could garden for longer periods without her legs feeling sore and tired the next day. She also mentioned sleeping more soundly, which helped her feel more energetic during the day. Exercise 1. Chair-assisted squats. Now that you know how to fuel your muscles properly, let me show you 4 simple exercises that will help you use that fuel to build real leg strength. These exercises are designed to be done right in your living room, using furniture you already have. The first exercise is chair-assisted squats, and this is one of the most effective movements for building overall leg strength. It targets your quadriceps, glutes, and core muscles all at the same time, which are the exact muscles you need for getting up from chairs and climbing stairs. Stand in front of a sturdy chair with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower yourself down as if you are going to sit, but stop just before your bottom touches the chair seat. Hold this position for 2 seconds, then stand back up slowly. The chair is there for safety, but try not to actually sit down unless you need to rest. Start with 5 repetitions, rest for 30 seconds, then do another set of 5. As you get stronger over the next few weeks, work up to 3 sets of 10 repetitions. The key is to move slowly and focus on control rather than speed. If you have knee problems, do not go down as far. If you have balance concerns, keep one hand lightly touching the chair back throughout the movement. The important thing is to challenge your muscles safely within your current ability level. Exercise 2. Wall push-offs for legs. The second exercise might surprise you because it looks like you are doing something for your arms, but wall push-offs actually engage your entire leg chain while being much easier on your joints than floor exercises. Stand arm's length away from a wall with your palms flat against it at shoulder height. Step your feet back about 6 inches so you are leaning slightly forward. Now push yourself away from the wall using your arms, but focus on engaging your leg muscles to help with the movement. This exercise works your calves, shins, and the small, stabilizing muscles in your legs that help with balance. It also gently strengthens your core, which is essential for maintaining good posture and preventing falls. Do 10 wall push-offs, rest for 30 seconds, then repeat for a total of 3 sets. As you get stronger, step your feet farther from the wall to increase the difficulty. This exercise is excellent for people with arthritis or joint problems because it puts minimal stress on your knees and hips. Exercise 3, heel-to-toe walking. The third exercise focuses on balance and coordination. two aspects of leg strength that often decline with age, but are crucial for preventing falls. Heel-to-toe walking improves the communication between your brain and your leg muscles while strengthening your ankles and calves. Find a straight line on your floor, or imagine one. Place your right heel directly in front of your left toes, then step forward, placing your left heel directly in front of your right toes. Continue this heel-to-toe pattern for 10 steps forward, then turn around and walk back the same way. Keep your arms out to your sides for balance, and focus on a point ahead of you rather than looking down at your feet. If you feel unsteady, do this exercise near a wall or counter where you can reach out for support if needed. Start with 2 lengths of 10 steps each, and gradually work up to walking this way for a full minute without stopping. This exercise dramatically improves your confidence when walking on uneven surfaces or in crowded places where you need precise foot placement. Exercise 4. Seated leg extensions. The 4th exercise can be done while sitting in your favorite chair, making it perfect for people with mobility limitations or those who get tired easily. Seated leg extensions specifically target your quadriceps muscles, which are essential for standing up and walking with confidence. Sit in a sturdy chair with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Slowly extend your right leg straight out in front of you. Hold for 3 seconds, then lower it back down slowly. Repeat with your left leg. The key is to move slowly and feel your thigh muscles working throughout the entire movement. Start with 5 extensions on each leg. Rest for 30 seconds, then do another set. Work up to 3 sets of 10 on each leg. To make the exercise more challenging as you get stronger, add ankle weights or simply hold the extended position for longer. This exercise is particularly beneficial because it strengthens your legs without putting weight on your joints, making it ideal for people with knee or hip arthritis. It also helps improve circulation in your lower legs, which can reduce swelling and improve overall comfort. The complete daily routine. Here is how to put everything together for maximum results. Every morning, prepare your super coffee with 1 scoop of collagen peptides, half a teaspoon of banana peel powder, and half a teaspoon of tart cherry extract. Drink this 30 minutes before you do your exercise routine to give your muscles the fuel they need. For the exercises, do all 4 movements 3 times per week, with at least 1 day of rest between sessions. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday work well for most people. Each session should take about 15 minutes once you are familiar with all the movements. Start with the lower number of repetitions I mentioned for each exercise and increase gradually every 2 weeks. Listen to your body and never push through sharp pain, but do expect to feel some muscle fatigue, which is normal and shows that your muscles are working and adapting. Keep a simple log of your progress, noting how many repetitions you can do and how the movements feel. Many people find that after 4 to 6 weeks, they can do daily activities with much more confidence and less fatigue. Let me be realistic about what you can expect and when. In the first week, you might notice that you sleep better and have fewer muscle cramps thanks to the magnesium and tart cherry in your super coffee. By week 2, you should feel more stable during the exercises and notice that your muscles recover faster between sessions. At the 4-week mark, most people report feeling noticeably stronger when getting up from chairs and walking upstairs. By 8 weeks, you should see measurable improvements in your ability to do all the exercises, and friends and family will likely comment on how much more energetic and confident you appear. Remember, these improvements happen gradually and safely. You are not just building muscle, you are retraining your nervous system to use your muscles more efficiently and rebuilding the confidence that comes from feeling physically capable. Important safety considerations. Before starting any new exercise, routine, especially if you have health conditions or take medications, check with your healthcare provider. This is particularly important if you have heart problems, uncontrolled high blood pressure, or a history of falls. If you experience dizziness, chest pain, or unusual shortness of breath during the exercises, stop immediately and consult your doctor. These exercises are designed to be gentle and progressive, but your safety is always the top priority. For the super coffee ingredients, start with smaller amounts than I suggested and gradually increase to the full doses over a week or two. This allows your digestive system to adjust and helps you identify any potential sensitivities. Let me recap this powerful combination that can help you regain the leg strength and confidence you deserve. Your super coffee contains collagen peptides for muscle building blocks, banana peel powder for essential minerals, and tart cherry extract to fight inflammation and improve recovery. The 4 exercises, chair-assisted squats, wall push-offs, heel-to-toe walking, and seated leg extensions target all the muscle groups and movement patterns you need for daily independence. Done together 3 times per week, along with your daily super coffee, this routine can help you feel stronger and more confident within just a few weeks. Which part of this routine are you most excited to try first? Will you start with the super coffee, or are you ready to begin with the exercises today? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single comment and love hearing about your progress and experiences. If this information was helpful and you want more practical health tips designed specifically for staying strong and independent after 60, consider subscribing for weekly videos that can help you live your best life at any age.